Welcome to the tutorial for the Cartoon FX pack on the Unity Asset Store. We start by importing the pack from the Package Manager. Locate it and make sure you download the latest version. Import it. If you are having trouble with particles not showing or similar, then you should make sure that you are working with a supported Unity version. You should also make sure to re-download the package from the Package Manager. When the pack is imported, you can test the effects by opening the demo scene. Let's go over some playback settings that all effects have. Let us select a particle and play around with it. You will notice that the prefab has a particle script attached. You can press the Show button to show the effect and all its children. You can also change the playback speed and even pause it to take a closer look. If any camera in your scene has the included camera controller script attached, you can enable the camera shake property to shake the camera when the effect is instantiated. You can look in the demo scene to see how the camera is set up. The clear behavior determines how the effect should behave when it's done emitting. None does nothing. Disable simply disables the particle. Destroy simply destroys the particle. You can also attach your own logic by the callback property. Okay? If you would like to change some effect or create your own, it is very simple. We start by finding an explosion we would like to change, or creating our own by using the source prefabs. Let us change the text to begin with. Find the text as a child of the particle. Now locate the text creator object. Here we can change a lot of properties to change how the text effect works and looks like. We can, for example, change the timings. We can also change the font to one of the pre-made custom fonts that is included in the pack. Of course, can we also change the text? There are a couple of pre-made animations we can choose from. You can also create your own or change one of the pre-made ones to your liking. All details on how to do this are in the documentation and README, included in the pack. If we want to, we can change the general curve the text will take. Text properties such as size, character offset, and colors can also be changed to your liking. You can play around with some of these settings and a couple of others not mentioned. If we now play the particle again and see how it looks like with all the effects combined, you can also change the other properties of the other effects to match your text again. That looks fine. Let's take it to another level and change the colors drastically. Let's change the smoke colors to a rainbow gradient. We can also add some electric sparks or other extra effects to the smoke to make it pop a bit more.